Hello and welcome to a District 228 Tech tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about YouTube playlists. YouTube playlists are a really nice feature so that you can combine a series of videos into one space. And the videos are usually related either through topic, curricular area. There's a tie that puts them all together. So if you wanted to create a playlist for your class, if you wanted to create a PD playlist, there's a lot of different uses for this, and it's a pretty simple thing to do. So when you're in this screen, if you press the triple dots next to a video, you can press the Save to Playlist button, and it'll show the playlist that you currently have created. If you haven't, you can just create one. So I'll do All American Boys, which is a great book. Create that so that when I go there, I can go ahead and save it to the All American Boys playlist. The second way that you can make sure you get a video on a playlist is by pressing the save button in this screen where you're actually viewing the video. It's recommended that you always view the video before putting it on a playlist just so you've seen the full content. You want to go ahead and press save. You can tap All American Boys and that will be available for you. So a couple of things again with privacy, you can make sure that you have it the globe right here means that it is a public playlist. You can change the settings. The link right here means that it's unlisted. And then if it has this lock, that means that it's private. So if you only want it to be accessible to your students because you're creating your own videos, you're going to want to do an unlisted playlist. If you want it to be accessible to any student, regardless of what school they're in, as long as they are searching or anyone, you can go ahead and make it public. If you have any further questions, contact one of your librarians for help. Thanks so much.